Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating a blue look for you guys. As you can see, it's nighttime, so I'm not gonna be wearing any foundation or anything. It's just gonna be the eyes. I have a confession to make. So I honestly haven't cleaned none of my brushes. I just get too lazy. Using this middle color right here is like an orange. It's like orange burnt color. Well, let me roll my shirt real quick. Hold on, let's just keep blending that. Okay, so guess what happened? I applied too much orange on this side because I wasn't really looking. I was like, I'll just put it right here. So so I kind of added too much. I tried blending it as much as I could, but I'm gonna have to clean them. So I'm gonna have to eventually clean them. So I'm gonna do that tonight, maybe. Anyways, but like I was saying before, I feel like it's better adding a little by little, because if you just grab too much eyeshadow on your brush and you just place it somewhere, it would mess up your makeup. I mean, you could fix it, but take this color right here. We're gonna apply that on the lid. And then just bring it up. Take this dark blue right here and then just poke that into the crease. You just want to blend that in. You just want to blend that inwards, not outwards, inwards. Because if you blend it outwards, then you're going to lose that orange shade that you applied first. See? Like that. And take this shimmer blue color. I'm going to apply that onto the lid in the middle. And you know, we about to use my technique. Boom, the color with my finger. I want to press. And then I'm going to apply that onto the lid in the middle. Bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this color. And I'm gonna just put that on the crease. Just gonna put that on the crease. Use this color in order to make sure that everything is blended out. I don't want any rough lines or anything like that. I think, yeah, we're just gonna keep the eyes like that. Now we're going to apply some lashes. Honestly, I don't even have the boxes for these, so I'm gonna just apply these just because like I like them, but then like it's just like okay, I already have my lashes on. I didn't really glue them on right. I usually just pinch them onto my real lashes, but I'm about to take them off in a little bit, so there's no point in that. Hold on. Oh, you guys seen that? What the? Why do my eyes look like that? Yeah, that's why I pinched them together. Okay, anyways, honestly, I don't even feel like wearing eyeliner either. I'm gonna just do the eyes. You know, fuck it. I'm gonna just do eyeliner. I can never find my. Okay, there, I found it. We're gonna take, bro. Why does my? I'm gonna take this brush right here. I'm trying to think. I'm going to take this color right here all the way in the right corner. I'm going to take this color right here. Apply that on my lash line. I'm done with my makeup look. Don't mind my lashes. I didn't glue them on properly on purpose because I'm about to take them off. Let me know what you guys think about this look. I personally never go for these kind of looks just because I feel like I look crazy. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out.